Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics, guys. If you have a Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep with a 3.6 VVT engine, guys, this should be a very helpful video for you guys. They're known for that famous oil leak from the oil cooler. So in today's video, guys, we're going to show you where it's located, how to get to it, and what it needs to be done. It's a 3.6 engine, and sometimes you can just replace the seals, okay, little bitty O-rings, super cheap, guys, and fix your oil leak. Other times you have to replace the cooler, which is still probably 10 times cheaper if you do it yourself than just going to the dealership. So we have that journey here, but that engine, guys, is used on Challenger, Jeep Wrangler, Dodge Journey, Grand Caravan, I think, Chrysler, Town & Country uses it, also Dodge Avenger, Chrysler 200, so many vehicles, guys, use that 3.6 engine, and it developed a really bad oil leak. Check out, guys, the video description for all the parts and tools that we use. Now this is it, guys, right here between the V, you know, it's a V6 engine, between the V, that's where your oil cooler is located. So let me show you what you need to do quick, guys. Okay, you need to go ahead and drain the coolant. Okay, that's the first step. Drain coolant, remove upper intake, remove lower intake, you can see all that stuff. Disconnect the wires here for ignition coils. In order to remove the lower intake, you need to disconnect the injector wires. Fuel line needs to be disconnected, and then you can get to the oil cooler and we'll be able to remove it, inspect it, and see if we need to replace it or put new seals. Now here you have two sensors as well, I believe. One is probably for the oil temperature, one for the oil pressure, so we'll see that. But all that inside, guys, between the V, that's oil, and it started coming out on the side and it was dripping towards the transmission side. Okay, if you come on this side, you will notice, okay, the oil leak there. Terrible. So that's what we'll be doing now, guys. You can see, you can get the idea what we took apart. The whole video about taking the journey apart will be on our second channel, Auto Repair, guys, but this is just a common video for the 3.6 Pentastar engine. So let's start on the process now. Okay, so we need to disconnect that wiring harness, that red thing here. Okay, you need to lift it up. Let me show you. It goes up. Okay, that's the safety lock there. Then push in on the clip and pull it out. And eventually that thing comes out. Let us show you where you need to press in. Okay, right there. Just press in and pull it out. Okay, this is one of them. Now we have one more on the bottom that we need to disconnect as well. So this one, there is a place where you push on the back side. Okay, right there, push in and then pull the clip out. So you can see that hose right here, this is coolant hose. Even though our coolant, we did drain the coolant, there will be still some in the cylinder heads most likely. So it will come down here and there is 4 or 5 holes that is coolant and oil. So coolant and oil will mix, guys. So what you have to do later, flush your system. Also you will need to drain your oil, put new oil filter and new oil, because otherwise you can see that you can have both oil and coolant mixing, which is not good. So with 8mm reverse torques here, we'll be removing a few bolts now. Okay, we have one more. towards the back. Okay, right there I can see that we still have one more holding. Okay, and this one is out now. So let's see if we try to pull it up a little bit, what's going to happen. We'll probably leak oil, we'll leak coolant, it will be a big mess. Not so much so far. Okay guys, check this thing out. This right there, this is oil inside, all of it, between the V. So all the rings, they look like they're like plastic almost. So we'll need to go replace those now, remove the cooler and show you what we need to do next. Okay, there is one clamp holding that hose down, so I put the gloves on and I just pulled it straight up, came out. Now we're going to pull it up and we're going to disconnect that coolant hose now with the pliers. So we removed all the seals, 5 seals guys. Usually the one for the oil are the one that are really hard and flat, so that's why it was leaking oil, but from what we can see it can develop actually a coolant leak as well there, because if those seals go bad on the coolant, the same thing will happen as well. So we'll install new ones, but if you're replacing the cooler or installing new seals, pretty much the procedure is the same. So you can find where we got ours from. This is the new bag right here by Machle. Really good company. We used them before and we're pretty satisfied. Affordable price. Okay, and good parts. Nothing sponsored here guys, everything's purchased by us. All we're trying to do, save you money and show you where we get our parts from. Okay, check out how this one is not flat like the other one. Okay, this one was flat, this one is not. And 2 more, this is for the coolant. Okay, perfect. So this is it guys. Okay, this is the cooler right here. Replacement now, putting everything together guys, is in reverse order that we took everything apart. Okay, pretty much the same thing. So we need to make sure that we clean your engine good here. Okay, where we had the oil leaks before, because if you don't clean your engine it's going to smell like burning oil later. So clean your engine good there between the V. And put everything together guys, in reverse order we took it apart. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to some of you. Please hit the subscribe button for more videos and see you next time.